earlier.
The whole day. That's what he says
this morning already.
When we
had espresso, I said.
OK, it's time for the 2018 World Cup final. It's France versus Croatia. Our commentary team in the Luzhniki Stadium.
Play in that semi-final has reignited talk of a Manchester United move. And then there's Mario Mandzukic. A gift from the Croatia coach, Zlatko Dalic. Didn't look like Didier Deschamps reciprocated. Cussed and so much attention on Kylian Mbappe, not born when France became world champions 20 years ago. And Rebic does well with it. As Vasaljuk, nobody at this tournament as lightning as Kylian Mbappe has been. That will be a free kick to France. Luka Modric the referee would have blown for a free kick, but it's advantage Perisic. Modric is making the move, but Perisic couldn't. The two presidents of FIFA straight from him. Over the top towards Perisic. Strinic wants the return and has got it from Rakitic. Mbappe there too. Now it'll start as Modric plays it in, and it was Vida who rose to meet it. Griezmann delivers, looking for the flick, and there was one! France have the lead! As easy a goal as you'll see. No real France celebrations, and it may well have come off the head of Mario Mandzukic.
Well, the ball comes in there so deep.
One day won't be theirs. Well, there's Perisic with a wonderful cross. Oh, and Mandzukic couldn't react in time. Which he does. Lovren too. Vida. Perisic. Brilliant! Ivan Perisic with a super strike. Another super strike from Croatia's superb number 4. Bruised thigh. Never mind. He can still hit them hard. Advantage to France there, which never really materialised. Crossover to Rakitic. Well, we've seen him. Easily stopped by Matuidi. Pogba now has Griezmann on the run. And here's Mbappe. Super tackle. In from Griezmann. That only needed a flick, and Matuidi didn't really get one. A very steady Griezmann, looks composed, and he was super cool. France regain the lead. Griezmann's 4th goal of the World Cup, 3 have come from the penalty spot. He keeps focused, he makes his mind up, he does what he has to do. Croatia feel aggrieved, but it's the fact that that left hand comes down, meets the ball at the exact point. Cross flung in towards Perisic. Didn't quite gamble. Right into the thick of things. Vida had his back to it when it arrived. Rakitic, Rebic, bundles past Pavard. Pogba is the policeman. Mandzukic can't jump. Lovren did. There is Lovren. Blocked by Pogba.
In the competition, he was having breathing difficulty in that first match against Australia, but he's been brilliant ever.
Mbappe. Giroud's getting there. Mbappe is getting in himself. Oh, I thought easily beaten by Varane, but Mandzukic kept his eyes on the ball. That's a searching ball, and it's a touch from Varane and Lloris, but he's got it through to Rebic. Oh, Rebic sees his shot tipped over. Mbappe, Giroud, turned behind. Pogba, and again Pogba! France have room to breathe. Paul Pogba has the biggest goal of his career. Sets off on a run. And now Mbappe with a shooting chance. the first teenager to score in a World Cup final since Pelé. France are running away with the crown. Oh, he scored! An absolute howler from Hugo Lloris. You can't quite believe what you've just seen. When Hugo Lloris fouls up, he fouls up big time. Croatia may have just opened the door again, ever so slightly.